students, welcome back to our class today, mathematics class. Today's going to be the continuation of our algebraic fractions, but today we're going to be looking at substitutions in fractions. How do we substitute figures into fractions? How do we carry out the calculation? So step back to look at the way and the simplest trick we're going to use to solve substitution in fraction. I remain your tutor, Latif Ismaila Akomi, your mathematics and chemistry tutor. If you are joining us on this channel, feel free to subscribe to my channel in order to learn more of the simplest way of solving mathematics. If you are our user member, thank you for believing in us, but don't forget to like and share this video as we move on. So let's dive in. One, given that x ratio y is equals to 9 ratio 4. Evaluate 8x minus 3y divided by x minus 3 over 4y. Now, from this question given, x ratio y means x divided by y is equals to 9 divided by 4, which means that x is equals to 9, y is equals to 4. Anywhere we see x, we put 9. Anywhere we see y, we put what? 4. Let's go by that question now. So we now have 8x minus 3y divided by x minus 3 over 4y. So 8 times our x is 9, close bracket, minus 3 bracket, our y is 4, divided by x, which is 9, minus 3 over 4 times our y is 4, close the brackets. From here, so we have 8 times 9, that is 72, minus 3 times 4, 12, divided by 4 goes in 4. So we have 9 minus 3. So 72 minus 12, so we have 60 divided by 9 minus 3, we have 6. 6 goes here 1, 6 goes here 10, so we have what? 10. So the substitution of this gives what? 10. Example 2. If A is equals to D plus 1 divided by D minus 1, express A plus 1 divided by A minus 1 in terms of D. Meaning, we want this fraction, to be given in terms of D, to get our final answer in terms of D, not in terms of this A. So anywhere we see A, we are going to substitute with what? D plus 1 over D minus 1. So we have A plus 1 over A minus 1. So our A here is D plus 1 divided by D minus 1. Then plus 1. Okay? This division here, let me put it here to be easy. Then this A, D plus 1 over D minus 1, that's our A, then minus 1. And let's do this over 1 here, and this one over 1. Are we together? And we can put this in brackets this way. Now, what is the LCM of D minus 1 and 1? So, of course, it's D minus 1. It's together. D minus 1 goes in D minus 1, we have 1. That one will multiply D plus 1. Plus 1 goes in D minus 1, we have D minus 1. D minus 1 multiply 1. 1 bracket D minus 1. Close the bracket. Divided by the LCM here as well is D minus 1. D minus 1. D minus 1 goes in D minus 1, we have 1. That 1 multiplied by this numerator, D plus 1 minus 1 goes in D minus 1, we have D minus 1. It will multiply this 1. 1 bracket D minus 1. Now we now have 1 times D, I have D, plus 1 times 1, 1, plus 1 times D, D, plus 1 times minus 1, minus 1, divided by D minus 1, divided by 1 times D, I have D, plus 1 times 1, 1, minus 1 times D, minus D, minus 1 times minus 1, plus 1, divided by D minus 1. Fine. Collect that thing, D plus D plus 1 minus 1 divided by D minus 1 divided by D minus d minus d, plus 1 plus 1 divided by d minus 1. Now, d plus d, we have 2d plus 1 minus 1, that is 0. I have 1 naira with me, and I'm also owing 1 naira. So if I pay 1 naira, I have from the 1 naira I'm owing, it remain nothing. Then divided by d minus 1, then divided by d minus d, that is 1 minus 1, that is 0. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divided by what? D minus 1. Now, from our previous class, when we discussed multiplication and division, this division will change to multiplication. In this case, the denominator here will move to the numerator, and numerator becomes denominator. So we have 2d divided by d minus 1 times d minus 1 over 2. This cancel this. Are we there? 2 here, 1, 2 here. So we have what? D over 1. This gives us what? D. So to express this in terms of D, our final answer is D. 3. If x is equal to 2a plus 3 and 3a minus 1, that is divided by 3a minus 1, express x minus 1 over 2x plus 1 in terms of a. Anywhere we see x in this place, we are going to put what? This value. So we have x minus 1, that's divided by 2x plus 1. So we substitute. Our x, this one is 2a plus 3 divided by 3a minus 2 minus 1. Now this division, do it this way, standard division. Then 2 times our x is 2a plus 3 divided by 3a minus 2, close brackets, plus 1. As we did in the first example, let's do it this way. Okay, let me use this bracket this way for this. Now we now have, let's say over 1 here. The LCM of 3a minus 2 and 1 is 3a minus 2. 3a minus 2 goes in 3a minus 2. I have 1. 1 we multiply the numerator. 1 times 2a plus 3, close bracket, minus 1 goes in 3a minus 2. I have 3a minus 2. So multiply by this numerator, 1 bracket 3a minus 2 divided by. Now, in this case, let's try to open this bracket with this 2 first. 2 times 2, we have 4a plus 2 times 3, we have 6 over 3a minus 2 plus 1 over 1. Okay? Let me open this bracket as we move on in this place. Or you can find it. Okay, let me go this way. 1 times 2a plus 1 times 3, 3, minus 1 times 3a, 3a, minus 1 times minus 2, plus 2, divided by 3a minus 2, divided by, now let me find the LCM here. The same LCM, 3a minus 2. 3a minus 2 goes in 3a minus 2, I have 1. That one we multiply everything here. I'm going to have 4a plus 6. Then plus 1 goes in 3a minus 2. I have 3a minus 2. Multiply by this one, it gives us the same thing. Fine. Let us now collect like 10. I have 2a minus 3a. 2a minus 3a. Then plus 3 plus 2. Plus 3 plus 2. Divided by 3a minus 2, then divided by 4a plus 3a, 4a plus 3a, then plus 6 minus 2, plus 6 minus 2, divided by 3a minus 2. Now, this division will change to multiplication. In this case, this denominator becomes the numerator, numerator becomes the denominator. So I have 2a minus 3a means 2 minus 3. This gives us minus 1. So in terms of a, minus a, plus 3 plus 2 plus 5, divided by 3a minus 2. divided by 4a plus 3a, meaning 4 plus 3, that is 7a, plus 6 minus 2, that is plus 4. You have 4 naira with you, and you are owing someone 2 naira. When you pay 2 naira out of 6 naira that you have, it will remain 4 naira that you have. So divided by 3a minus 2. Now in this case, division will turn to multiplication now. I have minus a plus 5 over 3a minus 2 multiplied by 3a minus 2 divided by 7a plus 4. So this cancels this. So I have minus a plus 5 divided by 7a plus 4. If I want this minus to show up, I can put 5 here. 5 minus a divided by 7a plus 4. So this is how to undergo substitution in fractions. We have come to the end of substitution of fractions. It's something that is very, very easy in the subtopic of algebraic fractions. If you are just coming across our channel and you love this class, kindly subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my subsequent content. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment as we move on. Please join me in the next class when we're talking about equations in fractions. Thank you very much.